You are listening to Circular Health, Empowering the One Health Revolution, written by Ilaria Capua, narrated by Jamie Mulholland and Brian Conover. Forward, read by Ann Cloud. To the survivors of COVID-19 and the NLs of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. You will never discover the impossible unless you are prepared to find it. Anonymous.
Forward by Louise Ofresco. This is a book about science, infectious diseases in particular, but also about how science and politics intertwine and the journey of a single scientist to disentangle them. Virology has become so popular since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic that nearly everybody claims to be a virologist these days. It is, of course, a serious and complex science. I first met the author, Professor Ilaria Capua, in Rome when I was working at FAO at the time of the 2005 H5N1 avian influenza epidemic. Some of her most important scientific work was conducted then, as she characterized viruses for the first time and developed vaccination strategies to assist in their control. In this book, she takes us on a journey to understand the intricacies and unexpected aspects of the discovery of certain infectious diseases, and, indirectly, shows us how difficult it is to act in the case of an unknown zoonotic virus. This is also a book about how science is conducted. Science does not exist in isolation. Its context is always political and societal. Societies expect and desire outcomes, and occasionally, when the outcomes are not easily understood or do not fit political framing, damage and even drama may occur. While the context here is mostly in the past, the lessons for today's world are clear. It is interdisciplinarity which makes the big difference. But the ultimate message of this book is to consider health as a resource that needs to be managed and empowered. Health of humans, animals, plants, and the environment are interconnected and interdependent. And this means acknowledging a full understanding of the system. The interconnected ecological and human systems in which we live have allowed wild animals, such as bats or migratory birds, to carry viruses that threaten domestic animals and also human beings, COVID-19 being just last on the list. Urban, rural, and wild ecosystems are connected all over the earth through multiple drivers such as water, waste, and food systems.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?